There's a lot happening at First Alliance Church, and so we wanted to take a few minutes and share a couple of things coming up for you and your family, so check this out.
One thing we truly value at First Alliance is community. And whether today is your first time or First Alliance has been your church for years, truly, the best way to get connected with our family and start meeting others is through groups. These are so much more than quick chats or handshakes at church. Small groups are where you can develop real and lasting friendships that go beyond Sunday morning. To find the group perfect for you, simply head to the info desk in the lobby. We'll see you there.
Join us for our quarterly men's breakfast on Saturday, February 18th. All ages are welcome. Come to fellowship, learn about upcoming events, and hear an encouraging devotional. For more information, contact our men's ministry director, Nathan Rule.
Hey, thanks so much for being here with us today. Make sure to stay connected with us throughout the week online at firstallianceorlando.org and on Facebook and Instagram. We believe God has something unique to say to you, and our hope is that you feel His love stronger today than ever before. Thanks again for being with us. Have a great weekend.